welcome to another video. Today's video we're doing something very exciting. Oh, the sun. We're working on this thing. This is Jess's BRZ. It's a daily. It's a 2017. It's pretty much completely stock other than the head unit and speakers. But today we finally get to work on it. What are we doing, boss?
Putting on my wheels?
Putting on your wheels? We got wheels for your car, huh?
Yeah.
They're up there. Put those on that. So we didn't spend like $4 grand on 3 pieces from Japan that we have to wait 10 months for, did we? We wanted like Jess's car's a daily. It's like it gets thrown around the track. We didn't want anything too expensive. We didn't want anything that we care about too much.
Yeah.
But we got a good deal. I've been like passively looking on Facebook Marketplace for a while. We found some.
Yeah, it was a good deal.
And they're brand new tires. Let's have a look. We got BRZ STI wheels. These are pretty nice. They have the center caps, all the center caps. They're all in pretty good condition. Not perfect, but pretty good. Got brand new Pilot Sports on it. Pilot Sport 4s. So they should look good. They should be a big improvement on the car. They're gonna look good. What do you reckon?
I'm excited.
Yeah, we'll probably have to do more black accents to the car. Like we want to do stuff with the lip and skirts and stuff, but this is the first step. And then the exhaust naturally, because it's stock and it's boring, but sorry, it is a bit boring.
Suit me.
Let's pull it back up in here and get these things on. And teach Jess how to do it. That there's a massive it's hard to show. The wheels sit very far in on the guard, and it looks pretty terrible, to be honest. I don't know what Subaru and Toyota were thinking, given that they're actual BRZ wheels. They're the same size as these wheels, and obviously we can't, like, it's half the reason we want wheels is to bring the wheels out quite a lot more. So we picked up we picked up some lug nuts from SSM Performance. I'll link it below, thank you for that. And we got a set of Shift Performance spacers. These are 20 mils for the front and back. I know a lot of people run 20 on the front and 25 on the back here, but we're just gonna play it safe because it is the daily 20 and 20. Hopefully we'll have no issues and it'll look a lot better. So let's work out how to jack this thing up, huh? Cool, you wanna do the front or the back first?
I don't care.
You don't care? I might do the front first.
I'm excited.
Button this up under here and there should be a little thingy for it. It's so low, I can't see a damn thing. Oh, let me just make some, brother.
So do I get to do it or are you gonna do it all?
You're gonna do it, but I just want to make sure it's on the right thing, that's all.
How far down do I go?
As low as you can. You have to go all the way. Damn. It's like a monster truck. So there should be little grooves in the pinch rail.
What are words and I don't know what they mean.
Keep jacking, brother. Little jack stand in between these 2 grooves on the pinch rail. Give it some more, mate.
Give it some more.
Give it some more, we're not there yet.
What do I do?
Well, you can't do that one because that's the lock nut, which we have the thing for. Put it around there.
Is it going the right way?
And sometimes you just got to twist to make sure it's on all the way, which it is. Make sure that's going backwards. So that's forwards, that's backwards.
That's what I was just asking. Wait, how do you...
See that little thing?
Oh, look at that.
No, you just send it, mate.
Where do I hold it?
So, hold the trigger. You probably want to stand over here. Let's swap sides. Pretty much like that. Yeah, and now just send it.
That was so loud, it hurt my ears.
Oh, not your ears. Come on, send it.
Ow! Can I put my AirPods in?
Okay, go get your AirPods. Send it.
Ugh, it's dirty.
No shit.
Oh no.
Hold it on there, homie.
Is this why you come so dirty all the time when you come from the garage?
Yeah. We should do that lock nut.
I can't do this one.
Alright, I'll get the thing for it. Well, we can't do it with that because we need to get the key for it.
So what do? How do you get it up?
We get the key.
You just twist it? Or do you put it in the drill thingy?
No, we're gonna have to get a socket. These are lock nuts. I'm glad we found this in the glove box. A socket.
Yeah, it's a bit tight.
It's a bit tight, okay? But
Got him! Let me know.
you're an idiot. That goes in there. Lefty loosey, right? So we got to pull up or push down?
Up? Let down? I'm not sure.
Down, I think. Alright, now push down.
Oh, but the wheel's spinning.
Alright, stop. Might have to put my foot on the brake.
So maybe I should put my foot on the brake and let you do it?
Yeah, we probably should have listened to it before we...
I thought you knew how to do it.
I don't have lock nuts, I'm poor.
I thought you knew how
Not
to
everyone's a big
change.
baller like you. And then you got to remember on this one, the wheel might come a bit loose.
What does that mean?
So it means you got to be ready to catch it. It'll be alright. I'll do it. No, other way. Alright, now you can take the wheel off.
Do I do that?
Do it if you want. Do you reckon you can?
I don't know.
Just grab it like here and here and then pull it out.
Here and here.
Yeah, but make, because it'll tip a little bit, so.
No, it's too heavy.
Okay. Yeah, hold that. Should just come off. There you go. Wheels off.
Yay. I want the red brakes.
You want red brakes?
I want Brembo brakes?
You want Brembos?
Yeah.
You're a big spender, eh? Alright, we gotta put your spacer on.
Okay.
Spacer goes on there. Alright, crack 'em, brother. Now stick one on there.
Does it, what the heck?
That fit? I hope it fits. Oh, this is gonna be awkward. Should fit. Doesn't fit. Fuck.
We're checking because these ones are the wrong size, but those ones are the right size. So we're checking what we ordered. Did you mess up the automate?
No. 20mm, 5x100.
Nothing ever goes to plan.
No, never. It's annoying, isn't it?
Yes?
Well, you can put spacers on the front.
Spaces on the front. Fat front wheels, skinny back wheels, or no spaces. How do you crouch for so long? Fuck.
Just a weapon. You got two the right ones and two the wrong ones. I fit my Evo. I don't need spaces on my Evo. They're already fatty, bruh.
That was so disappointing. You're like, put it on, and I was like,
You know, like, it doesn't fit. You ordered the wrong ones, you dickhead.
they go on.
Funny that. Alright, well, we might as well run them on the front.
Is that gonna look so dumb?
Maybe a little bit. That's a fatty spacer, hey?
What? You put the bolts that you took off on here to join this?
No,
this,
we
or-
use these little gold ones because they have to fit in that little slot because the wheel's got to sit
and
flush
then you
against
put
the
the
spacer.
other one on these.
We're not meant to run these, it's illegal. Shh.
You're joking.
No.
You can't have an illegal car.
It's only illegal if they know.
You're putting on his shit.
But these are good ones. Like, you can get shitty floating spaces, like the ones that came on my Evo. They should be illegal. These ones are fine.
I don't know what to say.
I thought you knew this.
No.
What do you mean? Why don't we just run no spaces for now, and we'll just put the wheels on, and then we'll run the spaces when we get the other set. Hopefully this fits.
What a fuck around.
We'll just have a Rexy stud button. These tyres are fatty, but these are brand new. We pretty much paid for these wheels pretty much the price of the tyres.
Yay.
That's good.
Good find. Goodbye.
If they fit. What do you reckon about that, homie?
It looks good.
That's
It's
good.
still better than before.
Yeah, that's much better than before.
What now?
Crack open these lugs.
Oh yeah, a different one.
Yeah, well, we're not going to run the silver ones with the black wheel.
True. Got
That'd-
everything, mate.
That'll look funny, wouldn't it? Oh,
Yeah.
and we got closed end ones, so they should look pretty neat.
So now we don't have one with a fancy key thing.
Yeah, no, these are lock nut sets too.
They look so cool.
Looks so cool.
Mm.
It's gonna be a big improvement.
Yeah.
Once we like get a lip and that for this car. Just like that, mate.
And then you put the big long stick on it and you turn it.
The big lug stick.
I said the big long stick.
Oh, the big long stick. I'll just do the lock one when it's on the ground. Be easier. Alright, that's a wheel done. What do you
Yay!
reckon?
Woo!
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
You basically have an STI now. It's pretty much all this the BRZ STI had anyway, different seats and different badge and different wheels.
Are you bagging it out?
The STI
Yeah,
or the BRZ?
both.
Yeah, a little bit. It kind of like annoys me a bit, what?
Why?
They like make an STI version, right? Well, they don't really do anything. Like,
Do they put the red brakes on it?
I don't know. I'm not really sure, to be honest.
So you don't even know what
No.
they do different. So you're just talking
I'm just talking shit.
shit.
Yeah. Talking smack. You know me. Do you know why you start these by hand?
No.
So you don't thread them. When you just put on the impact and send it,
True.
always start by hand.
Because then the gets all messed up and you can't do anything onto it anymore.
Yep. And you got to replace your stub. No one wants to do that. Alright, that's the front done.
Right, what do we do now?
Put it down. Tighten these ones. We should actually torque them too, but we won't do that once we're finished.
What that means.
Like make sure they're the right tightness. Like measure the tightness with the torque wrench.
I need coffee.
Patient. Take Jack's hands out, drop them down. See how she looks, mate. Fortunately our fitment's not going to be mint because they're not running spaces.
Get on with it.
You're getting coffee.
Yeah.
You're getting cranky.
I'm getting hangry.
You're getting hungry.
Yeah.
You little hungry monster.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Where do you have breakfast, Scott? We had pancakes. I made you pancakes and you're still hungry.
I mean, maybe pancakes. So how do you lower it?
You turn this, but you gotta go real slow, otherwise it goes whoa! I don't like when it does that. Some people just drop their cars, man, and that like stresses me out, baby. Actually, look.
I don't know.
It's hard to see in here, but I reckon that looks so. Needs a bit more low. They're tight.
You should wear earmuffs.
I need my nuts. Oh, one to go. Yes!
I feel like I want black ones of these.
Black badges.
Yeah. Just get a Sharpie.
A Sharpie. Oh my god. I'm never letting you in my car ever.
Can you get like a Subaru badge, like the emblem one, with the like a black background
Sure you could.
and silver stars? That would be cool.
Probably. You get anything off eBay.
I never bought anything on eBay.
Nothing.
Nope.
Really? I keep buying shit, but it's always fucking wrong. Alright, well,
Yay!
we don't have mad flush fitment, but we do have STI wheels. So that's a step in the right direction. Now what do we got to do, boss?
Tighten the back ones, now it's down.
We're going to tighten all of them.
I thought we already tightened the front ones.
No, we're going to do the torque wrench. I'm going to make sure so they're the right torque.
So much steps.
It's not even that many steps, bro.
That ass though.
Yeah.
Torque them up real nice.
110.
Oh yeah.
110 Newton meters.
Do you have to put the other fancy one in to do the fancy ones?
Yeah, I haven't done the fancy ones yet. 4 to go, then we're on the road, brother.
Oh thank God. It's been forever.
You're so impatient, eh?
It's been like 47 minutes.
47.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for changing clothes.
Thanks for complaining about it the whole time. You gonna buy me a coffee after this?
Yeah.
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 Done.
Yay!
Let's pull it out in the sun and have a look. Oh, touch my dirty hand.
I missed.
Pull it out in the sun. You can pull it out in the sun. We'll have a look, see how she looks. Yeah, that looks heaps better. Damn. Yeah, that's a look. That's so much better. Yeah, it looks so good. Yeah, Reckon
Yay.
needs more black bar, hey?
Needs more black.
Yeah. We got the spacer sorted, but it looks pretty good in coils. Your monster truck in it, hey?
You know, I like it. I'm happy. This is good.
You happy? It's a good step, and they were cheap. All right, we out.
We're out. Bye.
Thanks for watching. One more little mod to do today is these little thingies that I got off eBay. Every time I get in here, I plug my phone in, and then oh fuck! I plug my phone in, and then I find I have nowhere to put it. It doesn't fit in the ashtray thing, obviously, and it's kind of annoying putting it in there because that's where the keys and everything go. So I got these. It should sit just down there like that. Hopefully my phone fits. These are a bit smaller than what I thought they were, but they should still do the job. It's a bit small, but it should do the job. That should stay in there. It does align fairly nicely with the bottom of the trim, so it looks pretty good. I'll probably get bigger ones next time. I'll see how these go, and I might get bigger ones, but I'll run this for a bit. I'll link them below. That's it. I'm gonna put the other one on, and I'm gonna call it a day. So I got work to do. Thanks for watching. Jess loves the wheels. I think they look good. We're gonna go grab the right spacers tomorrow, Monday. But I'm happy. Oh, and that door just closed on my leg. Ow. Alright, have a good day. Subscribe if you want. Goodbye.